Stop paying full price for Mobile, because I'm about to unlock the secrets to finding legit promo codes that actually work. First, head straight to the Mobile website. Sounds obvious, but they often have exclusive deals hidden right on their pages. Look for banners at the top, pop-up ads, or even explore the deals section in the main navigation menu. Next, let's unleash the power of coupon websites. Retailmonat, Couponcabin, and even Honey are your best friends here. Type Mobile into the search bar on these sites and patiently scroll through the offers. Don't forget the classic Google search. Type Mobile promo codes into the search bar and filter by the past 24 hours or past week to find the latest deals. Be cautious, though, and stick to reputable sites to avoid expired or fake codes. Social media is another goldmine. Follow Mobile on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. They frequently announce limited-time offers and promo codes directly to their followers. One last tip, read the fine print. Promo codes often have expiration dates or specific requirements, like needing to be a new customer or upgrading your existing plan. Make sure you qualify before getting too excited. Now go save some cash.